How to save animation in sequencer. In our scene, we have this character. Okay, we play it. And this character stands here. And I need to adjust these animations. So first, I need to control it, FK control it, create. And then we play it, you can see. And I need to right key and convert to layer. Select it. And then I need to select this one and active. And play it. You stand here again. Okay. At this time I can say any balls if I want to change. Okay. Maybe this time I need to adjust this head. We create a key. And then we select the rotation rod and rotation pitch. And I want to these characters look around. And here I need to change the pitch value. This simple animation is, you play it. You can see this character is look around. Maybe it's too fast. So I need to change the value. Okay, I think it's better now. And next, I need to right key and select base animation sequence. And we select the float and change the animation name. And I typed animation 1. Okay. Export to animations. We save it. And we find this animation 1 is here. We double key, open it. Okay. This animation 1 is here. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.